So we have a patient here who is now almost 3 months out from bunion surgery. So the patient had the Emerald Bunion Transformation on this right foot. And this is a good example because this patient actually had traditional bunion surgery when you were 14, so that was quite a while ago. And this is a good comparison here because this incision here, from this part of the finger all the way down to here, is from what you would call traditional bunion surgery. And that's in comparison to the minimally invasive Emerald Bunion Transformation surgery, which is just this little small poke, that little small poke, and then this one right here on the top. So you can see this huge difference in incisions. Unfortunately, this patient had a recurrence of her bunion with surgery whenever this one was done by an outside doctor. And if you don't mind, tell me what kind of pain were you having before surgery with this bunion?
I would not be able to walk long times with closed-toe shoes. I had to rely on sandals, flip-flops, anything to keep the foot bare, or as bare as possible.
And we did your surgery. Everything was under local anesthesia. Can you walk us through that? How was the pain during, after surgery, if any?
So the worst part was just getting numbed up in the first place with the anesthesia. But there were a couple of times where I had to get lidocained. I think it's lidocaine. But generally no pain even afterwards. I mean, I could walk up the stairs to go to the bedroom. So weight bearing immediately versus crutches or a cart. But very manageable.
And you were walking and driving right after surgery. No hardware in the foot, so there's no pins, there's no screws, there's no plates. Any pain when I move the joint?
Absolutely.
You got fantastic range of motion here. Any pain when I poke on where the incisions and the bone cuts were? Fantastic. If there's other people who have this type of problem, would you recommend this type of intervention for bunions?
Absolutely.
Great. Anything else you'd like to say about your surgery, your experience with the Emerald Bunion Transformation?
I'm glad that I found you. I'm glad that journey to finding you was, albeit difficult, but once I found you, it was perfect. So thank you very much.
My pleasure, and thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. It looks wonderful.